Is tooth sensitivity just normal, or is it a warning sign for something more serious? Tooth sensitivity occurs when the enamel, the protective layer of your teeth, wears away. This exposes the dentin, which contains tiny nerve endings. This exposure can cause sharp discomfort with hot, cold, or sweet foods and drinks. It may also make brushing or flossing uncomfortable. Sometimes, sensitivity is a simple issue, like minor enamel erosion. Other times, it can signal decay, gum recession, or an underlying infection. Recognizing these signs early is key to preventing further damage. Professional assessment helps identify the exact cause, whether it is lifestyle factors, diet, or oral health issues. Early action can save you time, discomfort, and costly procedures. Take your sensitivity seriously. Get evaluated early and protect your smile.